Hey my friendly shoppers, welcome back to my channel Cash with me. Hope you are having an amazing day so far. So today I am heading to Costco for some shopping, and of course I'll be hunting for the best deals so you can save too. I'm in Austin and it's going to be super cold this week. How's the weather in your city? Let me know in the comment section. Costco always has some hidden gems and I can't wait to see what's on sale this time. So stick around till the end so you don't miss any great finds. Also, if you enjoy saving money, make sure to subscribe and hit like button. It really helps the channel. So let's head inside and check out the deals. So as I entered, I noticed these beautiful flowers perfect for Valentine's week. So you can get them for your loved ones to make the day special. So the next I spotted this metal blue heron statue, perfect for your front yard. The original price is $34.99, but with a $7 discount you can grab it for $27.99. It looks so elegant. So the next I spotted this 8-count Oral-B toothbrush, originally $14.99, but thanks to a $5 discount. So the next I found this steamer, originally priced at $49.99. So with a $15 discount, it's down to $34.99. So it's high quality, super reliable, and perfect for keeping your clothes wrinkle free, because let's be honest, who has time to iron? Costco never disappoints with the deals. So next up, I found these Puma men's rocket sneakers, originally $34.99, but with a $7 discount, you can grab them for $27.99. Stylish, comfortable. So moving on, check out this 3-piece glider recliner set, priced at $999.99. Super comfy and looks absolutely stunning, perfect for a cozy living space. And I also found this 10-piece stoneware ball set for $9.99. The quality is great for the price, and the prints are so beautiful that they will make your dining table look extra fancy. So for the kitchen lovers, there is a 5.5 cup rice cooker, priced at $89.99. Great for making fluffy, perfectly cooked rice with ease. So the next I spotted the Home Essentials 8-piece serving board set for $11.97. So these boards are perfect for hosting, whether you are serving cheese, snacks, or appetizers in style. For cleaning, I found this Shark Venvac Power Pet handheld vacuum, originally $99.99, but with a $20 discount, it's now $79.99. It's lightweight, powerful, and great for quick cleanups, especially if you have pets. And for the heavy duty cleaning, there's the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Plus upright vacuum, originally $349.99. So now down to $279.99 with a $70 discount. A powerhouse for deep cleaning carpets and hard floors. So I also came across some beautiful jewelry pieces at great prices. The craftsmanship is top notch and the designs are elegant, perfect for gifting or treating yourself. So I'm gonna gift one of them. So moving on to electronics, the iPad Pro 13 inches to 56 GB is on sale. Originally $1,249.99, but with a $150 discount, you can get it for $109.99. A powerful tablet for work, creativity, or entertainment. So these are the deals. These are the prices for all the electronic gadgets. Another big deal is on the Dyson vacuum, originally $699.99, now available for $559.99 after a $140 discount. Dyson never disappoints with its superior suction and durability. And next, for the kitchen enthusiast, I found the Vitamix Pro blender with self-detect, originally $399.99, now $319.99 after an $180 discount. It's a game changer for some smoothies, soups, and more. And last but not the least, there's a high quality air fryer for just $39.99 after a $10 discount. Check out all these amazing